Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be discussing some of our recommendations for the best free icon libraries for designers. So keep on watching and let's get started. The first library is called Remix Icon. The icons they have are super neutral but very well balanced. You can see that they have different styles, both outlined and filled, and they also add new icons pretty often. So the library is constantly expanding. Their website is also really clean and easy to navigate, and overall it's just a great library. Next, let's take a look at XICONS. These icons are also pretty neutral, but more rounded than Remix Icons. The design is modern and simple, and the icons are on a uniform scale, which helps keep things consistent. They also have a feature where you can use icons as a font, which is super useful. Overall, there are a ton of icons here that you can use for your next project. Here's another great option for you. Feather Icons has a smaller library, but they have simple and high quality icons, which are still worth checking out. Next up, we have Flat Icons, which features a huge library of many different styles. You have a ton of options here, whether you're looking for color, black and white, outline, really anything that you could want. Since the library is so large, the quality really varies, but it's an excellent choice if you need some more diverse options. Alright, now we have the NOUN project. The best thing about this library is that it's huge. You can be super specific and you will likely find what you're looking for. Like Flat Icon, the quality does vary, but you will be able to find what you need here. Alright, Icon Monster. Here's another big library that has a lot of different styles. They do let you sort by style, so if you are looking for example, heavy versus light icons, this could be a super useful tool. Okay, Material Icon Library. So if you're designing for Android and you want something neutral and consistent that will flow with what the big companies are using, then this is the pack for you. It's overall a really nice set and is also constantly growing. There are a bunch of different styles you can play with, like filled, outlined, rounded, two-toned, and sharp. Okay, so our second to last library we're going to take a look at today is XICONS. So here there are a collection of smaller packs of icons, but the quality is usually very high and the designs are well crafted. Definitely worth checking out. And our last library for today is called Icons 8. This library has a bunch of different styles like iOS, Windows, etc. And some are free, some are paid, but you can still really find a lot of what you need here. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please let us know by giving this video a like and leaving us a comment below with what your favorite icon library is. We'll link all the libraries we talked about down below, as well as the links to our social media platforms. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next Monday for your inspiration for the week.